cameras are on.
Guys, he broke in
actually on.
And the 5 kids were missing deal. And I'm just fucking eating lie by them drunks evil.
It smells so much like pizza, but because
them drunks eat the flesh, eat the kid's flesh, and they fucking eat them live.
Yeah, and
I'm a kid.
Like pizza, and now it smells more clean. You know what I mean?
April Fool's Days do not actually do it.
You come inside right here. You see this paper. You want to stand 6 feet away as you're ordering pizza, but it seems like no one's here. It is like 5 o'clock p.m. right now.
They also have this set up because I guess this is how you're supposed to order the pizza.
Yeah, they don't want you like really next to them, but yeah. Once again, like we said, guys, hopefully everything goes back to normal. All the arcades open up. Once again, wash your hands, guys. Yeah. We can't stress this enough. Wash your hands with soap and hot water, and for 20 seconds, sing the happy birthday song and 2 times. Hit me, baby, one more time, and yeah, and then you wash your hands.